I don't have any makeup on, but I wanted to share that I have just completed the largest oil painting that I have ever done. It is 24 inches by 30 inches, and I've titled it Community. Let me flip this around. In order to represent community, I have used lots of elements of heraldry. I love the medieval time period. So all of these different icons here represent the different various families that form a community with their diverse backgrounds and interests, personalities, and jobs and careers. And I've chosen the words grace, love, and truth as the unifying purpose behind the ideal community to me. And grace, because grace to me is being forgiving towards each other and towards ourselves. We all cause pain, whether to ourselves or to others. And I think when we are forgiving and give other people a second chance, it's really, it's very helpful. Truth, because we need to sometimes look in the mirror and realize that we need to change. Sometimes we need to offer a word of truth to our friends. And the last word I've chosen here is love, because without love, life really is not worth living. We need to show love towards each other, and to love others well, we need to also love ourselves and take care of ourselves and take care of those in our care and those whose paths cross our own.